Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds ah and oi. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the ah sound in the word all, all. Now the oi sound in the word oil, oil, oil. Now I will use them both in a sentence. The oil is all dirty. The oil is all dirty. The oil is all dirty. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!